I think Monday mornings after a long weekend, you're coming into the markets and you're looking to take some day trades, and I think Monday mornings can be quite slow and challenging, but today's day trade was relatively straightforward. The trend predictor strategy here, which is this red arrow right here, guys, giving us the heads up that the next candlestick could be a down candlestick. So red arrow meaning next candlestick could be down, green arrow meaning next candlestick could be up. So if we're coming in looking at the daily time frame of a trend predictor, it's got plenty of potential, hasn't it? So the daily time frame range or potential move is much greater than a 5-minute chart. So if we saw that trend predictor this morning in our live trading room, it was all about just shorting the markets this morning. It's still going, in fact. So we shorted it on the red PTS here, break of trend line as well, so it broke the trend structure, and this market is dropping nicely down. We are going for 100 pips this morning. We've already got stop to break even, we're already red PTS, and that was all to do with the daily trend predictor, giving us the heads up that the price could drop down. And so it's the start of the new trading month. June is here. We'll certainly be looking for trend predictors up and down on the monthly candlestick for big swing trades this evening. But for day trades, very nice move to the downside here. This was the daily trend predictor pushing off with a nice short, and a great way to start the trading week.